we were all eating dinner at, and me and my buddies were just sitting next to you guys
Yeah?
at dinner. Yeah, when we were over at Gingerman.
Oh,
We were at Gingerman.
Sure, yeah, that's right. Yeah, cool.
You want a water or something, dude? It's been a bit
I've
of a
been
drive.
sweating my ass off just doing stupid shit, you know. Your video was awesome. Your test drive, man.
What's up, you guys? So I'm over here at the shop on a Sunday, which is not typical. And the reason I'm here is because I had a lot of things to get done, but I also was meeting a friend, taking delivery of a new project. You guys may recall seeing a video not long ago where my customer friend, Brandon Schwartz, had me come visit him over at Autobahn Country Club. One thing led to another. I ended up test driving the Rush SR, and things changed quite fast. Drive our trailer or drive our car ourselves. Yeah. You know, like sometimes it's really difficult to try and continually do that over and over and over.
Yeah, this is it, man. This one was gonna be a keeper, but
Yeah. How many of these do you have now?
5. just myself.
Yeah.
When you start doing the grid life races, you know, there's a lot of little nuanced stuff that you know we're all familiar with. The factory gears kind of sucks. So
What? That's right. I mean,
yeah, sub 20 is what I was remembering for that.
We just took delivery of our own 2026 Rush SR, which means that we have a lot of work to do getting this thing wrapped This one has about 18 hours on it. Special thanks to Jason over at Prime 4 Motoring. He put 14 hours on this thing over the last few months, shook it down, and is allowing me to take ownership of it. So I'm very excited, as is the team, to be taking on a new platform and getting into a new racing series. And there's gonna be a lot of new videos, updates, and I'm sure a lot of tech videos talking about this platform and what we're planning on doing with it. So stay tuned for more. Really excited to show you what the future has to hold. Just to be clear, the GT3 is not going anywhere. We're just gonna be using it primarily for enjoying on the street, going to car meets, maybe some more product development, and certainly doing some more times on the track. But after getting some time with this thing, I couldn't help myself. I had to get one, and I'm really looking forward to playing with it a lot more. So stay tuned. If you wanna be sure not to miss anything, subscribe to the channel. And if you don't want to miss the moment one of these videos pops up in the newsfeed, be sure to hit the notification bell. Catch you in the future.